So guys, before I start the video, I would like to say a big thank you to the 200 subscribers, and I will be doing an iPhone 7 giveaway at 400 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like and share the video. I'll be giving this iPhone 7 after reaching 400 subscribers. And yeah, let me get straight into the video. So this video is about how to make slime. You're gonna need some corn flour or cornstarch, how they call it in your country, but in UK we call it corn flour. This, you're gonna need food coloring. Any color would do, but I'm using green because green slime is the best, and some hot water, which I'll be getting soon. Just leave this on the side for now. Let me get the hot water, pour it into this bowl here. Just add 1 cup of warm water, which I'll be doing now. So now I'll be adding in I'm gonna add the warm water into the bowl, just a little bit. Wait, let me just get a cup so it's accurate. Yeah, approximately this much will do. I think it's a little bit too hot right now, so we just need to let it cool down a little bit. So whilst it cools down, I'm going to tell you what to do next. You have to add around 3 to 4 drops of food coloring. So guys, it still hasn't cooled down. I can't use boiling water or hot water. I need to use warm water because or else the texture would be not good. So guys, the water is cooled down now. I'm gonna put around 3 to 4 drops of green food coloring. I think it was a bad idea to put green food coloring in a green bowl, I can't see the color change. Let me swap it to this to this bowl. Still the same. Well, let me get a clay bowl, to be honest. So now we've got this. Let me just add about 2 more food. Okay, so the next step is to add 2 cups of corn flour. So let me put this out the way. Okay, so we're gonna use this cup. Wait, how is this gonna work? So we're gonna put these 2 cups, 2 cups of corn flour. Oops. So what we're gonna do now is get these 2 out of the way. Okay, so now we've got the corn flour and the warm water, which has food coloring in it. So the next step is to pour the water in here slowly so we get the right texture. So let's do it. I think I've added too much corn flour. I'm gonna put some more water. Okay, I can feel the texture becoming a little bit more into slimy. A little bit more water. It feels gluey, but I can't see, like, it looks like there's water there, but there's no water. What the hell? Guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share to have a chance to win that iPhone 7 over there. Oh yeah, by the way guys, it's 64 gig, just in case, and it's jet black, just in case you're wondering. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's done guys. So here is your slime texture. That's your slime guys. That is the slime.